Hi everyone, welcome back to Job One for All. Continuing the previous exercise, now we are going to see a case where the customer can buy more than one manga. So in the previous exercise, we were having a map with customer and manga, but that has a limitation that is only one possible manga. It's available to have association with this key. Now I want the customer to be able to have multiple mangas related to that same key. Let's do the following. Let's copy this entire class, map test02, and add here map test03, and let's get rid of this 4. So basically now we have to do some changes. Let's remove this one as well. I don't want the map to be customer manga because I want to have more than one. So for example, for William, I would like manga 1, 2, and 3, and for DevDojo, I would like 4 and 5. So basically each key will have to be linked to a list of mangas. So here, the key that is a customer will have a list of manga as its value. Now, we know already how to create lists in line. You can call list.off and say manga 1, manga 2, and manga 3. So basically, these are the mangas bought by manga customer 1 list by the customer 1. Control D, customer 2, and manga will be here 4 and 5. Okay, so now if we had to draw, basically we have a reference variable that is the customer manga map. So customer manga map will have several keys linked to it and several values. So one of the keys that we have available is, let me see, customer manga map dot but, and will be customer 1. So basically one of the keys that we have here is customer 1, and we can copy this and we can add here. So this is the key. And since we will have more than one, we also have another key. This one will be DevDojo Academy. And each one of these keys inside this customer manga map will have a list of mangas. So for example, customer 1 will have the manga customer 1 list, and customer 2 will have manga customer 2 list. So basically you will have a list here. So if you want to draw that list, you have several different objects. So you have a list with 3, and you have a list with 2. So basically these keys have a reference to this list, and these keys having a reference to this list. And here you have Pokemon House in Berserk. And here you have Attack on Titan. And here you have Dragon Ball Z. So each one of these keys, they have a list linked to it. Now how can we get these values back? For map.entry, remember entry with uppercase E. The type is exactly the same that we used to create the reference variable. Then you can give any name and call customer manga map dot entry set. Now if you print the value entry dot get key, for example get name, because we have a customer being returned. But if you try to print get value, you will notice that this is actually a list. So you will get the entire list back. Since this is a list, we can create another for entry dot get value, alt enter, and then iterate over it. It's just a list of mangas. And now you can call manga dot get title. Now let's just give some nice formatting here. 2, and you can copy, and here you add 3. Control Shift F10. There you go. So for DevDojo Academy, you have 2 mangas, and for William, you have 3 mangas. So basically, that's how you can create a map with a custom object and a list of your custom objects. So I hope you enjoyed. Let's continue with more topics in the next video. Bye.